Welcome to Piraeus, Greece's largest port and one of the oldest continuously inhabited harbors in the Mediterranean. The route itself tells a story of Piraeus. Rather than following the tourist trail, we will experience the city as a working port where commerce, shipping, and industry continue to shape everyday life. Today, we're leaving behind the lively shopping streets, busy cafes, and ferry terminals to discover a very different side of the city. This walk takes us from the elegant center of Piraeus to the working harbor where ferries, cargo ships, and tugboats operate throughout the day. We will pass shipyards, warehouses, and industrial docks before reaching the waterfront side of Drapetsona, an area that was once defined by heavy industry but is now undergoing a remarkable transformation. Our destination is Lipasmata Multifunctional Park, one of Athens' most impressive examples of urban regeneration. The walk to the park is about 3.5 kilometers long, and after exploring the waterfront, we will retrace our steps back towards the Piraeus station. By the end of our journey, we will have covered roughly 7 kilometers long and experienced a side of Athens that many visitors never see. So let's begin our walk.
Learning how to stand when the ground gives out. Getting used to quiet when the noise dies down. I can see the damage when I look around, but I'm still here breathing, so I'm here for now. If I could step outside my head and tell myself what I know now. Find something you believe in. Find someone who will leave when everything you build starts breaking down. Find a place you can return to. Find a truth you can hold on to when the lights go out and you're lost somehow. It's love, 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 love. When everything's falling out, it's love, 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 love that pulls you back somehow. I gave all my time to the wrong mistakes. Tried to outrun fear, but it always stayed. Every open road still feels the same, but I'm learning now it's okay to change. If I could rewind the nights, I'd tell myself I'll be alright. Find something you believe in. Find someone who will leave when everything you build starts breaking down. Find a place you can return to. Find a truth you can hold on to when the lights go out and you're lost somehow. It's love, 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 love. When everything's falling out, it's love, 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 love that pulls you back world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.